where is my code? Let's see if that's gonna work out. It didn't work out. Why? Because the reason why it didn't work out is because these containers are in a different network. So technically this big DB service is not running on the local host and it's not mapped at all. So the way you do that in Docker Compose is that if you look at this composition YAML, you can actually refer to the services by their name. So if I copy this big DB service, go into the main.go in here, and swap that hard-coded localhost with big DB service, and let me just build two service again real quick. And this should be passed. Okay. If I do up again, and we try to do our curl, hopefully we, and now as you can see, Poo service can now talk to big DB service. Okay. So you can actually refer to those services using their names, and they will resolve the name for you, or Docker Compose will. All right. So the Docker Compose workflow, it will be similar to what like a Docker CLI workflow would be. It's just, it's just a declarative way to do things, and you just use a Docker Compose YAML, and pretty much it's the states will be the same, but just different commands. And I'll let you all like figure out like what are the commands for Docker Compose, but it's the best way of doing things, or the better way. Okay, I think that's it for my presentation. I'll be posting some of the codes that I put in the references. Please visit some of those Docker documentation. That's how you learn things. Is you go to the documentation. Like for example, you go to Docker Hub in here. It tells you how to get started, how to install it, what are the references or the reference. Like for example, how do you build a Docker file? What are the compose file references? What are the command line options? That's pretty much how you would learn Docker as a whole. Anyway, I think that's it for my presentation, and I'm gonna move it to the question and answer Q&A. I'm seeing like most of the people already left, but if people have questions, feel free to ask them right now, and I'll try my best to answer them. Okay,